Hey folks, Dan Bernakevitch with All Points Design. That's allpointsdesign.ca. And today we're taking a look at the Oregon State University Permaculture Design template, specifically the table of contents. So the table of contents is a simple way to navigate around your portfolio. You'll notice that already each one of the different lessons, each one of the different assignments is hyperlinked for you to go directly to where that slide is. And you'll notice that the zones wasn't. So it was reference, pardon me, the sectors wasn't reference. So this is a great opportunity to show you how that's done. So basically what we do is we highlight this first and foremost, and then we'll either right click and put in a link. So link here, or we can do Command K and it'll pop up with the slide. So one of the great ways we can do this is we can actually just go right to that sector compass, or if the text has been entered in, we'll automatically search this assignment plus all the other different assignments or files you have in Google Slides. So if we click on slide 47, sector compass, and click that, now when we click on sector compass, it will automatically put us there. The one thing we are missing though, because this will change as you move throughout, is that once you've finished a week's assignment, so once you've finished assignment 1, 2, and 3, if you needed to add different slides, which would then change the page numbers, that will largely be done. So let's say we're finished and personal survey is on 4, design site is on 6, 4, 6, and then climate survey is on 14. So 4, 6, and 13. So the last thing you have to do before you submit is just put in what numbers, what's the page number. So 04, 06, and 13. And then of course, de-highlight it because we don't want it highlighted. Highlighting lets you know that you've got a bit more work to do. Once that's finished, your table of contents is done for that week. And then we move on to the next. Thanks so much, folks, and we'll see you in the next one.